Welcome to Takumi Bonsai. We're going to show you a really quick way to make Kokedama. First of all, you get a polystyrene foam ball, you coat it in pond sealer. Now that stuff there, pond sealer, right. After you do that, after your ball's nicely covered in pond sealer, then what you do is you take it down to your wonderful big pile of sphagnum moss, and you cover it in sphagnum moss. Then you set it out to dry over here with all the other ones. And when that's dry, we'll come back and we'll put our moss on. Here's how we prepare our moss. For Kokedama. Here's some moss here with the dirt still attached. And quite often the dirt dries up very quickly. So we try and wash the dirt off. Moss doesn't have any roots, or not many. These roots here are from the trees the ground that the moss was at. So we just do this. It doesn't have to be a sieve, it can be fly screen or anything, even if you don't have that. Here's the moss we prepared. We washed the soil off it. Now it's ready to make a Kokedama out of. And here's some moss that we prepared earlier. Here's our Kokedama. Kokedama means moss ball. Here's some other ones that we prepared earlier.